Do you want to set up Turnstile on your Kadence Advanced Forms? In this video, I'll show you how. Let's jump on in. Okay, so we're going to put Turnstile on this contact form. So first of all, we open up our editor, go to Kadence Forms and open up the form that you want to add this Turnstile capture to. Click on the plus at the bottom, click on miscellaneous fields and click capture. Here it will ask to say please add API keys, and in the side column we have capture type. We want to select Turnstile. You've got the Turnstile site key and Turnstile secret. Okay, so if we go over to developers.cloudflare.com, Turnstile gets started. There's a button here that says Cloudflare Dashboard. Click on that and it will prompt you to log in. Select your account and you'll be at this Turnstile sites section within your account. Click on add site, put in the name of your site and then the domain. From here, we look at the widget. So I like to do demanaged, where Cloudflare will use information from the visitor on best to interact. We'll just say no there because I don't want to set any cookies at all. So we've got managed and no, and then you click create. At that point, you'll get the site key. So you just click it to copy, go over and paste in your site key. Click on the secret key, copy it, paste it in the Turnstile secret and click save. That then updates the Cloudflare Turnstile. Now, something to keep in mind is if you have staging sites, you may also want to add your staging URLs if you're wanting to test this on staging. At that point, you click update up the top of your form, and then we'll go back to our form area and do a hard refresh. And now we have our Cloudflare Turnstile. Well, I hope you liked that quick tip on Kadence Advanced Forms. If you want more tips like this, like, subscribe to the channel and leave a comment below if you've got any questions about what you want to do with your Kadence Forms, and I'll see you in the next video.